Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. We have a new addition to our family. Meet Miss Bear. Miss Bear is a German Shepherd pup. She's 6 weeks old. We picked her up last night. She is a great dog already. She's very calm and she's getting along with our other dogs, Tank and Maggie, which you may have seen in some of my other videos. And she's going to come out here and help me work in my garden. So I'm going to take you around and show you what the rain has done. We've gotten 3 or 4 bouts of rain. We've gotten 5 inches just in the last month. So it's really helped the garden tremendously. You're going to be excited to see. Come on, Miss Bear, let's go show them. Look at the raised bed, folks. My carrots, my spinach, and my cabbage is doing absolutely wonderful. Boy, the Lord's rain sure does a good number on my plants and on my gardening. Got the sun behind me, so it's casting a shadow. I'll try to get out of its way. But look at that spinach, guys, and look at my cabbage. Everything is doing really super well. So looky here. Green beans are coming up fantastic. All my tomato plants, my pepper plants, everything. The grapevines back there are looking great. It's still really muddy in there, so I'm hoping that I can get in there later on this afternoon. This stuff tends to, when it starts to dry up, it dries up pretty quick. I've got to get in there and do some weed pulling. But here is my zucchini. And here is the yellow squash. It's looking great, guys. So we'll have to get back there and put our trellises up in the next week if we're able to get in there, because my cucumbers, my watermelons, and my cantaloupes are starting to come up and they're going to need something to climb. We do grow vertically. If you want to know how to do that, go back and look at my vertical gardening video. So as you can see, everything is doing great. It needs to dry out this weekend because we're expecting another week of rain, which I welcome. I just don't want it to get waterlogged. I don't think it will. I think with today's temperature up around 81 and tomorrow's temperature around 80, it's going to dry up and give it a little break, and I'll be able to get in there and turn the soil a little bit and get rid of some of the weeds. But so thankful for the rain this year, guys. You know, we had a bad year last year. We didn't hardly get anything out of the garden because we had 2 freezes in April, and then we went right to summer. So it really stunted it last year. I'm looking forward to seeing what I can this year and save up for my family. So stay tuned and watch as we teach Miss Bear and train her, and we'll watch her grow together. Take care, God bless, and have a wonderful weekend.